Hey everybody, so in this video we are going to set up Hermes Agent and LM Studio and run the Hermes Agent using local models in LM Studio. So the LM Studio is a desktop application that allows you to run your LLMs locally on your own hardware, providing privacy, offline access, and also has a user-friendly interface. The Hermes agent is also an open source self-improving AI agent that runs on your own machine. It is able to remember your projects and builds reusable skills over time. So I've already done videos on Hermes agent using Hulama, and this was done also using the WSL2. So if you're on Windows, you can set this up as well. So I already have that video here, so you can just take a look with the WSL2 version. Okay, so before we set up the LM Studio, we are going to use the LLM stack that is introduced by the LM Studio. So you can basically use this command, and that will also work if you are using the WSL2. So let's dive into that in my VS Code. I'm going to show you here. So I'm already in my VS Code. So I'm going to create an environment. So before you do that, you say Python dash mv venv, and when you hit enter, it should create an env, an environment. So let's activate that. I'm going to say that activate. Now we have to get into our Ubuntu. So I'm going to say WSL tilde, still that, and I'm going to say enter. So I'm in my Ubuntu. So what I'm going to do now is we are going to install the LM Studio. So I'm going to copy this command and I'll go in. I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to say enter. I've already installed that, but let's do that again. So we have that installed. So in order to run this, we need to get the daemon. So we need to start the daemon. So the daemon is just it's a program that runs in the background and it performs different tasks without direct user interaction. So and the LM Studio uses the daemon to run it headless. That is the LLM stack. So it is a standalone inference engine without the GUI. All right, so let's start that. And I am going to clean this up. And I'm going to say LMS daemon up. So let's start it. Say up. So we want to start the LM Studio service. So we are going to say that let's check the status of the LM Studio. Let's do LM. Okay, it's off. So what we want to do now is let's start it by saying start. The service is on. So let's confirm by LMS status. Let's say enter. All right, so the server is on. The LM Studio server is on port 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so what we want to do now is to get the model. So in order to get the model, let's go into the UI and you can browse to see whatever model you like to use. So we are using the Google Gemma 4 E2B for this demo. Let's do that. So let's say LMS gets model. Okay, I only want this. Clear this out. All right, let's get this model. So I already have that model loaded. What I want to do now is to say, let's look at the models we have. Right, I already have two models. Okay, awesome. So the LM Studio is all set up. So let's set up the Hermes agent. So I'm going to say clear this and let's get in. Oh, you copy this command, curl command, and you paste it here. Yeah, it's done. Setup is done, and you can see LM Studio. Let's look at that. Yeah, so you can see LM Studio showing up here. So let me click on that, and you see the model that has been selected. Okay, so let me hit on enter, and you have the option to see all the models that you have from LM Studio. So I'm going to use the current one, say enter, and enter. So I'm going to keep all the default settings. Okay, enter. I'm going to say done. Right, so let's start the Hermes. See the model has been loaded. The German 4E2B, that is what we selected. So let's try it out and say hi. All right, so we have our response, right? So you can go ahead and ask any question you want, right? So this was all I wanted to show you today. I'm going to attach the link in the description so you can check it out. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. See you in the next one.